Right, still is 16 to the power of minus 3 over 2. The first thing to do when dealing with this is to get rid of that negative. So to remember that x to the minus 1 is 1 over x. So in this case, this will become 1 over 16 to the 3 over 2. Good little start. Okay, next. Right, we need to use the fact that we are basically raising to the power of 3 and sort of raising to the power of a half actually, because 3 times a half is 3 over 2. So we can write this as 16 to the half all to the power of 3. So I've used one of the rules of powers basically, but in reverse. When you expand this out, you just do 3 times a half. I've kind of put it back as a half and then raised to the power of 3. Why have I done this? Because now we can remember that raising something to the power of a half is the same as square rooting it. So it's root 16 cubed. Now we could cube 16 first and then square root it, but that's going to be quite horrible without a calculator, whereas this is much nicer. The square root of 16 is 4, so it becomes 1 over 4 to the power of 3. And you need to know your powers of 4, or you can figure it out by hand, but 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, so it becomes 1 over 64.